Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will learn how to calculate the value of redeemable preferred stock in Excel spreadsheet. Okay, so without spending more time, let's get started. Alright, you can see we have a question statement. Based on this question statement, we will extract the data here and then we will calculate some working note, that is these three things. And then based on these two information, we will calculate the value of preferred stock. And based on this result, we will identify the status, and based on this status, we will make the decision. Alright. Okay, so now before I start to extract the data, I would like to tell you one thing, that the calculation of value of redeemable preferred stock is same as calculation of value of redeemable bond. Okay, the component is only different, but the formula and process both are same. Okay, alright, now I'm going to extract the data. So first one, face value. So we have 100 face value. Okay, so I'm going to put 100 here. Okay, and I'll press the enter. Now for dividend rate, we have 12% dividend, you can see. Okay, so I'm going to put 12% here. Okay, now for maturity period, we have 12 years, you can see here. Okay, so I'm going to put 12 here. And now for payment mode, let's select the annually from the drop down list. Okay, I have already created this drop down list and show you that how to create this one in the previous video. If you have not watched that, then please watch that video. Okay, it's a very simple thing you can create by using the data validation tool. Okay, now for cost of preferred stock, we have 13%. Okay, so I'm going to put 13% here. And now market price of preferred stock, which is 94.116. Okay, alright, I have just shown up to 2 decimal places, so this is showing after rounding up. Okay, alright, now for periodic dividend rate and periodic cost of preferred stock rate, both can be calculated by same technique, or you can say one technique, but the number of period can be calculated by another technique. Okay, so here I'm going to first calculate these two things quickly. I show you. Okay, so first press the equal sign, tap the if function, now tap the if function and now press the tab and now select this one. If this, now let's fix this cell by putting the dollar sign between the cell reference, equals to annually, then what will happen? Yes, this divide by 1. Okay, and here I'm going to just 1. Okay, and now press the comma. Otherwise what will happen? Let's make the another function by copy this function by pressing the Ctrl C. And now click here, now press Ctrl V to paste it. And now let's rename this one from annually to semi-annually. And now let's change the value from 1 to 2. Okay. Now similarly for quarterly, monthly, weekly and daily, we can write it same as this one. Okay. So here I'm going to just copy this one. I quickly make it as show you. Okay. Okay. Alright. Now let's press the close parenthesis exactly equal to total number of if. So we have 5 if. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if. So I'm going to press 5 close parentheses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now press the enter. Now press the enter. Alright. You can see the 12%. Now just put the cursor here and just drag down. Alright. Now double click on this function to display the formula. Okay. Now let's change the cell reference, that is this one, to this one, because we have to select cost of preferred stock instead of maturity period. Okay. So to fix this one, I'm going to just drag down by using the mouse. Okay, so you can do it like this. Okay, okay, now press the enter key. Alright, now for number of period, just select this one. Okay, not this one, and now press Ctrl C to copy it, and now click here and now press Ctrl V to paste it. Alright, now double click on this function to display the formula. Okay, now we have to select the maturity period, okay, instead of any other cell. So you can do it by same as earlier by dropping the cell reference with the help of mouse. So here I'm going to just drag up. Okay, you can see. And now before pressing the enter key, we have to change the sign from divide to multiply. Okay, so just clear this one and now put the multiply sign. Similarly, click here, clear this one, put the multiply sign, and so on. And now press the enter key. Alright, you can see. Now let's calculate the value of preferred stock, and it can be calculated by using this formula showing here. Okay, so to this, just press the equal to sign and just calculate it. So first DPS, this times this one, and now press the close parenthesis, plus times, now press the open parenthesis, for the value 1 minus 1 divide by, press the open parenthesis, press the 1 divide by, press the open parenthesis again, 1 plus KPS, that is cost of preferred stock, which is this one. Now press the close parenthesis, now press the power sign from your keyboard, and now just select this one, maturity period, which is this one. Now press the close parenthesis. Okay, now again press the close parenthesis. Now press the divide sign from your keyboard, and now just select cost of preferred stock, which is this one. Okay, now press the close parenthesis here and just click here, and now press the open parenthesis here. Now click here and now press the add sign from your keyboard. Now press the open parenthesis, and now for par value we have to select this one, divide by, press the open parenthesis, now press 1 plus KPS, which is the cost of preferred stock, which is this one. Now press the close parenthesis, now press the power sign from your keyboard, and now select the maturity period, which is this one, and now press the close parenthesis. Okay, and now press the enter key. You can see 94.08. Alright, we got the value. Now let's identify the status by comparing this value and this value. Okay, so as per our calculations, we are seeing that the value of preferred stock is undervalued because this is lower than this one, right? So it can be shown by using the if function. Okay, so I'm going to press the equal to sign, type the if function, now press the tab, and now let's make the function. If this is greater than this one, then what will happen? Overvalued. Similarly, for another condition, just select this one by selecting this one and copy this one, and now press Ctrl V to paste it. And now let's change the sign from greater than to less than, and now let's change the value and word from over to under. Okay, otherwise what will happen? So click here and now just type correctly valued, and now press the double quotation marks, and now press the two close parentheses to close the if statement, 1 2. And now before pressing the enter key, you can see that we have just write the F instead of if, so just add the I here. Okay, now press the enter key. Alright, you can see the condition is showing undervalued, right? Now based on this status, let's make the decision, and it can be do it by same as these things, this technique, just the keyword will be different. Okay, so for this, just press the equal to sign, type the if function, now press the tab, and now let's make this condition. If this equals to overvalued, then what will happen? Yes, we should buy the preferred stock. Now otherwise what will happen? Press the comma. Now let's make the another condition by copy this one, okay, with the help of mouse and keyboard, and now press Ctrl V to paste it. And now let's change the word from over to under. Then what will happen? Yes, we should sell the preferred stock, otherwise we should hold the preferred stock. Now press the two close parentheses to close the if statement, 1 2, and now press the enter key. Alright, you can see we should sell the preferred stock because of the status is showing undervalued. Okay, so guys, it's a very easy to calculate it. Thanks for watching this video. If you find it useful, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video of this series. Signing off.